Okay.
Ready?
Alright, so hold it tight. Okay, you got it?
Uh-huh.
Alright, now drop the safety with your thumb.
Okay.
Pop it down. Alright, now bring your, yep, there you go. Hold it real tight.
Okay.
Put your fingers slowly on the trigger.
Okay.
Alright, and just squeeze it off. Keep it aimed down there, okay?
I don't even see where that went. That was horrible.
A little low. Shoot a little higher. It's okay. Okay.
Oh
You want to aim just a little bit to the right. A little bit higher and to the right.
Oh my god!
There you go.
Did I even hit it?
You're getting closer.
Horrible.
You got to squeeze real slow. There you go. You're getting better. Aim just a little bit higher. There you go. All right, now you're out.
Oh my gosh. It's okay.
Did you like that?
Huh?
So did you like that?
Yeah, I loved it.